here's a quick tutorial on how to use Jamboard. So in Jamboard, you have a page, and this template, you can set a background and you can add sticky notes and text boxes and different shapes to the page on the canvas. So when you're working here is a template that I found for picture of the day. So this would work great with Martin Luther King Day and doing a lesson and then either having this be a follow-up or maybe do this before your lesson and present this picture in a Jamboard, and you can have I've chosen to do 6 students per board, and so that I can do this during a live Google Meet session. And so it says, think about the picture. What do you see? What details do you notice? What do you think is happening? When you have an idea, write it on a sticky note with your name and use one of the sentence frames below to start your sentence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 6 students on each board. They'll have to use each of the sentence starters. So they'll do one I notice, which is in the green, and all they have to do is click on it and the sticky note opens. They can write their name and then they can write what they notice about the picture and then hit save. And then it'll modify and change anything that they added. This makes me think, and they'll add their text here and then hit save. And then I wonder. They'll double click on one of these and they'll write their wonder and hit save. And then everything that they've done will be saved. Now, when you're setting up a Jamboard, the template, this background, this on the left-hand side picture of the day, that's the background. Everything else I've added. So the picture and then the post-it notes. So what you're going to want to do, since this is only for 6 students, I'm going to need to duplicate this 4 times. So I go up and I click the 3 dots and I click duplicate until I have 4 of the exact same template. And then my students know students 1 through 6 will work on page 1 and then 7 through 12 and so on. And so my students all know the expectations of what page they'll be working on, and they also know the expectations of how we use Jamboard at this point. So it's really important to set clear expectations, but I just wanted to give you this so that you can use it on Martin Luther King Day, and you can use it for your planning to do in the February PD and save you a bit of some planning time.